Hello, this is Val, design engineer for VentTabs. Today we'll be doing a Venttab replacement installation on a Landrover LR2 or FreeLander 2, 2007 to 2014. This is what the replacement Venttab looks like. You're going to want to make sure it's in this position when we're putting it on the center blade. And before then, we're going to want to make sure the rear blade adjustment post, which is this one here, is in a upward position. Next, lightly push on the vent tab. And then you want to make sure that the forks line up with the back post. Do so, and mine are, and then snap it into place, and there you are, a now fully functioning vent again. So you can check out all our products online at VentTabs.com. Thank you.